In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade your Stan Store plan. By following these steps, you will be able to select a new plan that suits your needs and confirm your payment. Begin by navigating to the Stan Store website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to log in. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard where you can manage your next. Locate the settings option in the left sidebar of the dashboard. This section contains various options for managing your account. Click on Settings to proceed to the Settings menu. After that, look for the Billing tab at the top of the Settings page. This tab provides information related to your current subscription and billing details. Click on the Billing tab to access your plan information. On the Billing page, you will find your current plan displayed prominently. Take a moment to review the details of your plan, as this will help you decide on the appropriate upgrade. Once you have confirmed your current plan details, find the upgrade plan option on the same page. Clicking this button will take you to a selection screen where you can view the available plans for upgrade. At this point, you will see a list of new plans to choose from. Review the options carefully, considering the features and pricing of each plan. After selecting your desired plan, follow the prompts to confirm your payment method and complete the upgrade process. Finally, once you've confirmed your payment, you should receive a notification indicating that your plan has been successfully upgraded. Ensure that you check for any confirmation messages or emails that may provide further details about your new subscription. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next